What up, YouTube? So today is going to be part 3 of the Honda Civic EK b18c GSR sleeper sedan, and today we're just going to be finishing off everything we need to get this car running. So on this video we'll be bleeding the clutch. We gotta get the clamps for the lower radiator hose on here, and then we're going to be installing the shift linkage. So in order to do that, we actually have to drill out some spot welds. So we actually have to take this out. There's like some tins under here, under the car we have to get to. We have to take this out, and then there's like a plate under here, so it's like 2-layered, and we have to drill out the spot welds to get pretty much all this out of the way, and then we can drill our 2 holes for the shift linkage, and then yeah, we can get that done. And then we can put the center console all installed back as best as we can, and then we can finish the steering column cover, and pretty much be done with that. And we got to finish the exhaust, so we're going to be putting 06 to 11 or to 2015 SI exhaust on here, and it'll keep it pretty quiet but still keep a performance of the engine. And then after that's all finished, we'll take this thing for a test drive. So right now we're going to start prepping for the shift linkage so we can get that on here, and then we also got to put some transmission and fluid into the transmission. And yeah, we'll be hopefully taking this thing for a ride in a couple hours. So we're gonna start getting on the shift linkage, and then we'll come back see what we're gonna do next. All right, so we're back now, and we have the shift linkage installed now, and pretty much ready to go. I went ahead and got the clutch bled, so that's ready to go. Right now we're draining the oil and gonna get some fresh oil S2000 filter in here. We topped off the radiator fluid, and next we're gonna be finish dropping the exhaust, and we're gonna do a little open header pull, and we're also gonna drain the transmission fluid, throw some Honda transmission fluid, make sure that's fresh in here so everything's good. Other than that, yeah, hopefully this next, after we change all the fluid, we'll start it up, make sure everything is good, and then we'll take it for a little test drive. All right, so we're back now, and everything's pretty much ready right now. We're getting to the exhaust, so JFab is getting this ready. He's getting the mid pipe on here, and getting the rest pretty much going. So we're almost there to take this car for a test drive. And this is the part he's working on right now. And the muffler we're going to be using is the SI one, so he's getting that ready, putting the stock factory, we're going to be using some factory tabs to put back on here. And then after this is all done, we'll take it for a test drive and show you guys how it's going to feel. Just to show you guys the pedals, everything is done. I just got to finish the center console real quick, and then after JFabs is done with the exhaust, we'll take it for a test drive. All right, so we're back now, and we got the exhaust done. Motor sounds real quiet. Show you guys the JFab exhaust. So, from the header all the way back. To the stock muffler. Rev it up. Alright, so we're gonna let this thing bleed out, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Just gotta make sure it gets up to temperature and everything, and then we'll get on the road and make sure everything's good, so we can go back home. All right, guys, so we're back. We have to go get some fresh gas because I don't know how old this gas is, and sure there's some gas in here. So everything seems to be good. No check engine lights. Everything's running smooth so far. So I'm gonna take it for a little test drive right now. Make sure everything's good. Show you how quick it is, and crack some VTEC. So pass the camera over to Johnny. Let's go see how this thing moves. So comparing this car already to the hatch when this motor was in here, I definitely feel it's a little bit quicker. With everything done to this car and we compared the hatch and everything, the hatch actually might even be heavier than this car. But we'll see right now.
Fresh gas.
Yeah. It's supposed to spin, huh?
All of a sudden.
I like it, dude.
Yeah, it's not too loud, it's perfect. It's perfect with the 2.5-inch J-Fabs exhaust.
Can't hear anything. But when it's time to perform, you can definitely hear it, you know. VTEC is cracking really nice. I mean, idling perfect. So I mean, this is pretty much a b18c1 skunk 2 manifold, Edelbrock throttle body. I'm not sure if it's 70 millimeter. Headers, I'm not really sure. I think they're AP headers or whatever. I'm not really sure on the brand. Skunk 2 manifold, AP headers. I honestly think this tune could be a little bit better. The guy said this was a B20 VTEC tune on a P28 chip. So yeah, it still runs decent though, but I just feel like first and second still a little choked up. Other than that though, I mean, car runs beautiful. It's no problems. Idle's perfect, no overheating, and pretty much ready to go. So if you guys have it, like, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys for the next video.